Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have an unbagging. That means we have a review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Well, I see Joy Sunday kits. All right. Okay, these kits come from the GBFKE store, and if they have any specials, any discount codes, or if I have any, they'll be right in here. So let's get started with the first one, and it is 38 by 48. It was $11.70. So let's see what it looks like. It comes in the gorgeous Joy Sunday kit. Get it out of the bag. Those bags are great. They're usually pretty indestructible. All right, so I got this one. It's called Snowy Christmas Eve. It is 14 count, 38 by 48. I was looking to see what the things are, but I really liked it. I thought it was plain and simple. There's going to be some back stitching, but it looks pretty nominal compared to the kits that we have been looking at. Let's take a look at the paper pattern. It is 170 by 220. That means it is full cross stitch, and it's not a partial. We do have two sets of numbers. It has... the top one goes to the paper pattern, the bottom goes to the canvas, and we have full stitch, French knots, and back stitch, and that's it. There's no half cross stitch. Let's see what colors we have. Anything we know? We have 666 red. We have 817, which is kind of a brick red. Looks like 419 is going to be a brick red as well. They're using 3371, which is the dark brown for your back stitch, and B5200 for the white. So very nicely done. Let's see. Oh, I was just going to show you. So there's lines of stitching just here and there. They're just straight lines, so it's not that difficult. Some of them are up in the branches, but not overdone. There's more on this close-up stuff, which will help define the picture. A little bit on the chimney, some on the branches of trees up here, so not too bad on the back stitching. I don't know where those French knots are going to go. Let me look. Oh, maybe it's on this wreath here. Where is it? Yeah. Yes, no? No, it should be square. They're just kind of scattered here and there. Do you see the little, I'll hold it as still as I can, circles? Those are your French knots. So what color is that? That's 666 red. Just kind of to give it a little sparkle, a little oomph there. I'll show you on the actual pattern. But you can see them up here, a little bit around here, a little bit, just to kind of give it some sparkle. Now you could add beads if you wanted to. You could do whatever you want. This is your kit now. You're fine. Do what you do. Let's take a look at those gorgeous colors. 35 colors, if I didn't say that. Comes on the good thread card. Here's your B5200. Look at those blues. That's kind of a, I don't know what color you call that. Buff? Beats me. Does have two needles. See over here. We have blues, greens, kind of some burnt orange. And there's your 3371 here on the end. But this is a dark greenish brown, if you will. So the only Christmas Christmassy color that we have is 666. And you kind of have that 561, which is kind of a Christmas color. So, yeah, beautiful, gorgeous colors. I think it's going to be beautiful. And we may save this for the month of December as far as a start, because we will have Christmas, of course, as the theme in December. Sorry, I needed to drink a tea. Let's take a look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. It goes this way. And it's going to look a little blobby, not going to lie, until you get that back stitching in. It just helps bring everything out, but it's very nicely printed. I'll hold it as still as I can. So, yeah, and it's fair good size. Nice big key. So you have all your full stitch down here, then your French knots and your back stitch. But you can see all the numbers very plainly. This is kind of light, but not as light as that one. Oh my goodness, that one that I had was really pale. So I'm glad there are some darker colors in here. But there's going to be rivers of colors in this one. But I think it's very pretty. It's called Snowy Christmas Eve. It is 19 inches or 48.5 centimeters by 38 centimeters or 15 inches. The actual picture is a little tad bit over 12 inches or a tad under 31 centimeters by 16 inches or 40.5 centimeters. But very nice kit. Yeah, I think we'll save this till Christmas. And yeah, because it'll be a nice one to start to add to my Christmas collection. Okay, the next one is 36 by 36, $9.30. It's a little bit smaller. And let me flip it. I thought this was beautiful. Look at all the colors. 14 count. But I just love that rabbit sitting there, watching the snowfall, and he's got this nice, cozy little nook. Boy, my back would never be the same if I sat in that place. So, yeah. But it's a nice cushion. I like that. Lots of reds, greens, blues. Just beautiful. Gorgeous. Of course, with gorgeous comes issues. Not issues, just things to do. Let's call it that. 2 sets of numbers. Top one goes to the paper pattern. Bottom goes to the canvas. So you have 35 colors in full cross. You have 4 colors in half cross stitch, 3 in French knot, and 6 in back stitch, with a total of 36 colors. They are using 3865 for the white. We have 310 black. Anything else? 939, which is a dark blue. I'm not seeing anything else I know. So yeah, this is going to have some back stitching. Oh yeah. But it's such a pretty picture. Oh my gosh, look at that window. Look at all the back stitching. Yay! My favorite. But it is a smaller canvas than that other one. So, yep, I guess you just take it one section at a time. But the trees out there are going to be like kind of a little nightmare. So, you could just wing that, you know, to make it look like that. Because, yeah. Okie dokie, Minoki. It is 156 by 157. There's the, I'll turn it right side up for the bottom of the window seat, and you got all these beautiful books. French knots are right here, so they're kind of scattered here and there. But yeah, I just loved that picture. So you know what we're going to start this afternoon. Oh yeah. Okay, let's look at those beautiful threads. It does come on 2 cards. These are the regular thread cards. Comes with I'm going to get that nailed down or we won't have it this afternoon. With 2 needles. So you got some, my brain's gone. Brick red, holy cow. And kind of a bittersweet. And we have golden browns, even a pale blue there. And how did it say? Maybe I got that wrong on that number. Let me look at something. Hold, please. There'll be a hot moment. Did I read that wrong? Number 35. Number 35. Oh, here's your big amount of 3865. I was thinking that this was the end of the thread. I thought I got it wrong. Beautiful browns. Kind of autumny colors, but you do have some snow colors and all those books. Just looks like a cozy little nook. I love it. And somewhere in my bag of tricks, I have a I have a kit of 2 rabbits, like say a mother rabbit and a baby, not a baby, but a small child, at some kind of a candy or cookie store or like bakery. Yeah, I love that one too. So yeah, let's take a look at the canvas. We have blathered on and on about all that. Holy cow. Just excited, just excited. You know me, new kits, I'm excited, of course. It's called The Little Rabbit in the Library, and it's going to have blobs. Again, this is full cross stitch, so you cover every square inch with cross stitch. It's not a partial. But all these spaces, once you get those back stitched in there, it's gonna bring it out just like that. I want my thing, so it's not too big. It is serged all the way around. If I didn't tell you that, you know that happens with Joy Sunday. It's almost a little over 35 centimeters or a little over 13 3/4 inches by almost 14 1/4 inches or 36 centimeters. So it's not too terribly big, but I absolutely love this. And the printing is very nice. Very easy to see. There's some half cross stitches back here in these trees. Like the tree itself is full, but the background on all of those is half cross stitch. So that shouldn't be too bad. I think the devil's going to be in the back stitching. It's going to be the most time consuming. Everything else is just straight stitch, you know. Straight stitch or half cross stitch. You've got 4 and half cross stitch, and mostly it's in the background, except this is full cross. It is 3371 is the background on that blue. It's like right everywhere. So yeah, and it'll bring everything else out once you do the back stitching. But I don't know, I kind of want to start on the books, but then on the other hand, kind of want to do the cushion. We'll see, we'll see, we'll see. Love them. Just gorgeous, gorgeous kits. Thank you, GBFKE, for these 2 stunning, stunning, gorgeous kits. Love them both. GBFKE has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They always have great prices, big selection, something for everyone. So do check them out. Thank you for watching today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.